Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back to our channel. It's me Witchy Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your language in Genshin Impact. So it's pretty simple, so right now follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump right into the video. So basically you want to click on the setting looking icon over here. Once you click on it, basically you want to go on setting over here. Once you're over here, basically you want to go on where it says language over here. Once you're in language, basically there's going to be game language, voiceover language. Which language you want to change, you want to choose on that. Let's say I want to change game language. I can click on English over here and it's going to give me all this thing. And from over here, whichever one I want, I can just choose on it and it's going to be changed. As you guys can see, it's changed to Chinese. Now I'm going to be changing it to English again. And if I want to change the voiceover language, I can click on it and I can choose whichever I want from over here and it will be changed. So that's basically how you guys can change your language in Genshin Impact. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. And if you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And for those people watching this video, thanks for watching this video until the end. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. It's me Witchy Kevin signing out.